So I'm going to be installing these today. Pretty excited because I've heard really good reviews, but these are just drop-in filters for the stock airbox that comes in our cars. So I have 2 of them, and hopefully I don't mess anything up. So you pretty much have to remove that clip, and then there's a clip on the side, and take the stock filter out. And you're going to do that same thing to both sides, and we'll see how it goes. So kind of like that. And then you should be able to pull out the stock filter like that. So I'm gonna try to do it without breaking anything right now. Okay, so kind of like that. Wow, that shit is so dirty. But kind of like that, it was kind of not hard, but you have to like wiggle it out of its place. So time to put in the new one, which is right there. And this is what the K9 one looks like, which is pretty much the same size, except not as thick, I feel. So just gonna drop that one in. Hopefully I don't break anything. Okay, so we're gonna try to put this in here without messing anything up. And it pretty much just like drops in, which is fairly easy to do. Just want to make sure that it's in correctly. Okay, so here's the passenger ones. I already put the other one before. Actually, I put it in there. Make sure that the bottom is inside the little clips, if you see right there. Well, that's dirty. Okay, so I just put in, that's the new filter. Put it in here, and then try to close it. Make sure that these 2 clips right here lined up, or get lined up pretty flush. Otherwise it's not going to close correctly either. By far this was like the hardest side, to be honest. Okay, so they're pretty much done. Clipped it back in there. It has the new filter in there, so I might drive it around to see if I actually notice a difference. In general though, it wasn't too bad. Okay, so it's a good thing that my car actually turned on, so that means I didn't completely fuck it up. I'm just kidding. I don't think I messed it up at all. But let's see how it drives now. So I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I think in general I'm able to hear like the intakes a little bit better. According to the website, these filters do allow for like better airflow. So getting like a whole new intake system is probably better. But the intakes, drop-ins that go into the stock airbox, I feel like are a good alternative in the meantime. But in general, pretty good. Okay, now that I'm not driving, overall, in general, I guess you do hear the intakes louder than the stock filter. And in general, these filters do allow for more airflow, which is good. And then I also did notice that it was a bit more, like the car in general was a bit more responsive. I think it's a really good alternative in the meantime. But yeah, I mean, I'm glad I did it for now. Hopefully I didn't break anything.